Welcome, viewers. Today we're diving into the world of smartphone videography and exploring the 5 best gimbal stabilizers for your device. Get ready to capture smooth, professional-looking footage and take your videos to new heights. Let's get started. Number 5. MOZA Mini MX Gimbal Stabilizer. Hey there, YouTubers. Today we're reviewing the MOZA Mini MX Gimbal Stabilizer. With its impressive 3-axis stabilization, intuitive control, and compact design, this gimbal is perfect for travel vlogging and live streaming. It supports various shooting modes, has a long battery life, and is compatible with iPhone and Android. Get smooth professional footage with the MOZA Mini MX. Let's dive in. Number 4. zhiyun Osmo Mobile 6 Smartphone Gimbal Stabilizer. This 3-axis gimbal brings advanced stabilization technology for smooth cinematic footage. It's lightweight, compact, and even has an extension rod for creative angles and selfies. With intuitive controls and the DJI Mimo app, capturing stunning shots has never been easier. Elevate your smartphone videography game with the zhiyun Osmo Mobile 6. Number 3. Insta360 Flow AI-powered smartphone stabilizer. Introducing the Insta360 Flow, the ultimate smartphone stabilizer for your videography needs. With its AI-powered Deep Track 3.0, enjoy unmatched subject tracking and precise focus. The 3-axis stabilization ensures silky smooth footage from dawn till dusk. Plus, it's packed with a built-in selfie stick, tripod, and power bank for ultimate convenience. Simply unfold and go with the one-step rapid deploy feature. With a 2,900 mAh battery, it offers an impressive 12 hours of performance. Compact and portable, the Insta360 Flow is all you need to capture life's best moments on the fly. Upgrade your videography game today. Number 2. zhiyun 4 Handheld 3-axis Smartphone Gimbal Stabilizer. With its magnetic foam clamp and ring holder, attaching your smartphone is effortless. Say goodbye to shaky videos as the powerful 3-axis motor keeps your footage smooth and steady. Get ready to reimagine what's possible with features like dynamic zoom and gesture control. Capture Hollywood-style shots and take selfies with ease. And don't forget the convenience of quick mode switching. Double press the M button for seamless transitions between portrait and landscape mode. The zhiyun 4 is a must-have for vloggers, YouTubers, and anyone who loves smartphone videography. Get ready to elevate your content to new heights. Number 1. Hohem iSteady M6 Kit Gimbal Stabilizer. With its AI tracker and adjustable fill light, this gimbal ensures your subject stays in frame and lets you shoot in low-light environments. Plus, its 3-axis stabilization and inception mode allow for smooth, creative shots. Elevate your videos with the iSteady M6. Get yours now and unleash your inner filmmaker. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.